Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y35 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening settings. Now you need to click on Bluetooth section, Bluetooth and devices over here. Tap on Bluetooth feature and click on this switcher if it's not already on. Then select Pair New Device and click on the one that you wish to connect to. After that, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other smartphone to do the same. And now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my smartphones were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, choose this gear icon next to the device and click on Forget. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to connect to the same one, choose Pair New Device, click on it here and tap on Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!